Hi. Welcome, everybody, to the wonderful son of a bitch. Ow. God. Alright. I'm sorry, I gotta clean this shit up. Deodorant. Okay. Hey. How's everyone doing? Fix myself up. Make myself look nice and proper. Make myself look like a YouTuber. Sleeves up a little. Sleeves up. Sleeves up. Sleeves down. Sleeves up. Sleeves down. Sleeves up. Okay. What is up, everybody? How are you doing? My name is AlexKalch, but you folks and all the YouTuber world will be calling me by my name, Kalch, because no one will remember. Woo! Because no one will remember. Because no one will remember. Because no one will remember. What is up, everybody? My name is Alex. I was gonna say back at you in another video. That's my first ever video. You idiot. You retard. Idiot. Okay. What is up, everybody? How are y'all doing today?
2,000 years later.
What is up, everybody? How y'all doing today? My name is Alex, and today this is the first ever YouTube video. This is a special occasion. Cue the confetti. Confetti. Fireworks, confetti, the cannon. Crazy madness. Okay. So yeah. Anyway, today is my first ever YouTube video, and I have spent now 2 minutes on my intro. You can tell this is my first YouTube video. Anyway. Today, although it is all fun and games in the beginning, today we are getting serious. Cue the serious music. So yes, as I was saying before, we are doing a scary video today, and that is what my channel is mostly going to be about. We're just doing some different type of scary videos, maybe some 3 a.m. challenges, which we are doing tonight. It's one challenge. I'm doing it solo. My first ever anything. I have to be quiet. So, yeah, we have to be really quiet. Anyway, so, other things I'm gonna do, maybe visit haunted places, maybe do pull out the Ouija board or something, maybe do some little satanic. Maybe. If this gets enough likes and this gets popular enough, you know, because I'm only gonna do this if something good comes out of it, because I'm not just going to do this shit just because I want to do it, even though I want to experience it, because I'm skeptical about it, honestly. That's why I really wanted to start about this, because I was skeptical about this, but honestly, I also just want to do it just because I want to make a YouTube channel, and I think this is going to be a really cool idea, and no one does it. So, next up, now we will get into the rules of the 3 a.m. challenge that we are going to do tonight. Holy shit. How the fuck do you turn this off? Okay, guys. So today we are going to be doing the ghost paper challenge. Fucking insane. Okay, yeah. So let's read about it. The ghost paper challenge. Okay. Players, at least one principal. Shit. Requirements. Okay, so we need paper, writing implement, candle, mattress or lighter, a room with a door. Make sure that the paper and the writing implement. Sorry, I'm trying to read this through the camera, so if it sounds like I am in the writing implement can slide under the door completely when the door is closed. A timekeeping device. 3 questions, no more, no less. No more, no less. Focus. Scoot back a little bit. No more, no less. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Anyway, so let's go to the invitation. Ooh, we're at the invitation. Okay. So we begin shortly before 3 a.m. That's a very important part. So we have to begin before 3 a.m., which is going to suck because I have work tomorrow at 11. So cool. Fantastic. Anyway, then turn off all the lights in the house. We take up the supplies and go to your chosen room and door. You close the door. You place the piece of paper on the front of the door. You close the candle next to the piece of paper and light it with a match lighter. Keep the eye on the timekeeping device at 3 a.m. precisely. Knock on the door 3 times. Repeat slang phrase. Okay, so this is the phrase that we have to say. So we have to knock 3 times and we have to say, Spirit of the door, I welcome you. Make yourself present and come through. Ooh. That's creepy, guys. That's honestly really creepy. Hold on, let me see if this is really freaking creepy right now. I'm kind of creeped out right now because like this is my first video. This is my first like doing anything. Like I've never done any of this before, and I'm doing it solo, and I'm doing a 3 a.m. challenge. Holy shit, I'm gonna die. Now we have the conversation. So we already made the invitation. So we invited the presence, as you can call it, into here, and now we'll have the conversation with the paper. So with the writing implement, write your first question on the piece of paper. The piece of paper, when you are finished, place the writing implement on the piece of paper. Slide the piece of paper and writing implement halfway through the crack between the door and the floor. Wait. Okay, this is the important part right here. Okay, if the paper remains where it is, the summoning has failed. Do not proceed. Extinguish the extinguish the candle and try another time. Okay, so anyway, what that's saying, folks, is so once I write the question on the piece of paper, and then once I put it down and then halfway through the door crack on the bottom, if nothing happens, I'll wait probably 30 seconds or so. If nothing happens, then I extinguish the candle and we're done. So this video is going to be a complete bust after just one turn if we're done. But either way, the most important part, what it says is whatever room you're in, no matter whatever happens, that would be the room you have to stay until sunrise, or because you can't open that door until sunrise. That's the thing, yeah. So if you open that door that you were using for this ritual or whatever, but before sunrise. Oh, I thought my mom was coming upstairs. Oh, I got scared for a second. Oh god. Yeah. Anyway, this is like a one-time thing, and this. Oh my god, my TV just like made like a little. My TV, I swear to god, my TV just did like a little something. Hold on. Just take a look and see if it does it again. It literally just like flickered, like I don't know. I swear to god, like it didn't it was already at this too. Like it wasn't going to this. You know what I'm saying? Oh no. Okay. Anyway, let's get back to this. Okay. So let's go to if it does work. If it does work though. So if the paper will be pulled through the other side of the door if it works. The summoning has success, you may proceed. Right there. Right there. Okay. Now I'm really freaking scared because if that freaking works, I'm gonna literally shit my pants if the fucking paper just moved on its own. I swear to god. Okay. Okay. It says wait now if the paper has been moved. If the paper does not reappear, do not proceed. Apologize aloud. Thank the spirit for its time and extinguish the candle. Okay, so if it doesn't work, it never says we have to apologize, but I think I'm still gonna apologize anyway, just because I'm not trying to get any spirits on me. Okay. Do not open the door until daylight. You may try another time. If the paper slides back through the door towards you, examine the paper, read your response. No, the response tells you to go away, ask to leave the spirit alone, or is hostile in any way, do not proceed. Apologize aloud. Okay, yeah. So if the spirit doesn't even answer our question, if the whole thing works and this spirit that's following us doesn't even answer our question, and just says something very hostile, then we were supposed to just apologize right away. Extinguish the candle. And I think does it say anything about the paper? No, I don't think it did. Okay. Alright, well, shit. Well, I'm officially freaked out. I'm not even gonna lie. This is really creepy right now. But, while we wait, because it's only 11:30. It's only 11:37 right now. So while we wait, I'm gonna kind of give you guys a tour of my little room, even though it's fucking small and it's a piece of shit. So who gives a fuck, right? Who cares about my room, right? Anyway, so yeah, I want to give you a little tour of my room real quick, and then we'll go get the supplies, and then we'll wait till it's 3 a.m. Alright? Sweet. My door. This is my calendar. Our dresser. So this is my closet. Here's my bed. This is my piece de resistance. I have blinds, fan, some blankets. There's my diploma. Grand Central Station. We got the Chicago skyline. That's my dad made this. The Cubs poster. This is my lamp. It's so nice. Anyway, this is my desk. This is my laptop. This is my little spinny chair that I just fucking wrecked on my fucking toe on my desk recently. You. And this is my dope new tripod 490 870 Blast 3000. I actually love slime. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay. Okay. Alright, I'm getting distracted. Alright guys, so next portion will be me gathering up all the supplies I need that they just listed on the computer, and then after that we will start the challenge. So I'm gonna shit my pants. Oh my god, I don't even know why I'm doing this. This is so dumb. Since I'm like a neat freak and OCD and like to be super organized, I'm gonna make a list of everything I need. You're gonna watch me, you mother. We've got a post-it note and a pen. That pen is out of ink, so we have this pen instead. Alright guys, so I just finished writing down my list. Got it right here, folks. And now I think I want to get quiet because my mom just turned the TV off downstairs. But I think she's going to bed soon. So I'm going to put this up on when she goes to bed. Okay. Alright guys, this is the perfect time to go get it. My mom's in the shower, my dad's downstairs. My dad has an office downstairs where he works, so he's doing some late night work, and my mom's in the shower, and she just got in there, I think, so. Oh, I'm out of breath. I'm just so excited. Alright, let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. We're going out. You guys will see my house. Oh my god. Shh. Don't mind my nasty ass feet. Okay, let's go. Shh. My list. My list! I got it. Shh, be quiet. Shh. Oh my god. That was actually so scary. I don't know why I'm scared of my own mom. I just don't want her finding out because if she finds out, she'll be like, alright guys, fuck it. I'm just gonna go down there and I'm just gonna act like I'm not recording. Hopefully she doesn't have like a camera in my hand because that's not a common thing for me because I haven't recorded a video ever. Okay, alright, here we go. I got my list. I also have to get a flashlight. What the fuck was that? Yo, seriously, what the fuck was that? My mom's room is right there. mom was right there. I thought she just heard me like talking to myself, and I thought she was gonna say something. So I put the camera down real quick. But I came up and I put the candle up here, so we have the candle. Because I thought that'd be a little sus if my mom saw me with a candle. So, alright, I'm gonna go get the rest of the stuff now. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm gonna get the rest of the stuff. Okay, so what do we need again? I forget what we need already. Oh yeah, let's go get the flashlight. Now what the fuck was that? Dude, are you serious? What is that? Okay. What? Okay, I don't know. It's probably not that. Okay. I'm freaking myself out. There's gotta be a flashlight. Flashlight. Yes, it works. There's not a flashlight. That one does not work. Fuck. Fuck it, it's so small flashlight. How do you work it? Okay, there, that one works. Okay, alright, cool. Alright, so we have a couple flashlights. Should we get one more? Is there any more? Oh shit, I'm sorry. Let's just get these flashlights and this lighter and let's go upstairs. Okay. Hey puppy. You can't even see him. Alright, cool. Dude, I swear I'm hearing noises. They came from my brother's room. They came from in here. My brother's gone. Like, look, dude. Yo, is there anyone in here? What is that? Yeah, that's the reflection. What? That's the... Is that that same reflection? Yeah, it is. Okay, alright, cool. I'm tripping myself out, dude. I need to stop. Okay, alright, okay. I have flashlights. I got my candle. I got my lighter. Alright, now let's get a writing utensil. Let's do this marker right here. See this marker can fit under. Check. Let's see this marker. See what's it. Okay, so like yeah, I can fit. I don't know, dude. This is freaky. Oh my god, if anything, if it pulls, dude. Okay, my eyes are watering. I don't know. I'm starting to freak out. So, my fucking screw my hat. My hair looks horrible. Anyway, I forgot what I was gonna say. Okay, so it is now 12:01, as you can see. And now I guess we just wait until 3 o'clock. You guys don't have to wait, but I have to. But I'll definitely let you know if anything. What was that? What was that, dude? Dude, do you hear the knocking? It's like 2 knocks. Isn't it, are we supposed to knock twice? I don't know if we're supposed to knock twice or 3 times, but if we're supposed to knock twice, 'cause I heard knocks on that wall, and then I heard knocks over here on this wall, right over there. Dude, I'm not even kidding. That's not, I swear to God, I'm not kidding with you guys. Oh, I have goosebumps, dude. Like, literally, like, I don't know if you can see it, dude, but I literally have goosebumps. Oh my God, I think someone's going upstairs. Oh, no, we're good. Okay. Alright. I'm just gonna get off. My heart's racing. I'm gonna chill a little bit until 3 o'clock, and then I'll let you guys know. So, Until then, peace. Okay, guys. Okay, I need to. Hold on. Oh my god. My fucking guys are fucking. Okay. Okay. Holy shit. Okay, so I was just laying right here, just chilling in bed, just like watching Family Guy, just like doing nothing. I don't even know if the camera can see me. Let's go like this. Okay, yeah. So I was just like watching Family Guy, doing nothing, and then literally, I hear out of that window. I swear, guys, I'm not even fucking playing. I hear a whisper. I hear, "Don't play." That's what I hear. I swear it was clear. It was right next to my ear, but it like faded into like that window. It was like trying to like drag me like out of the window, like trying to like put me out of the house or something. I need to go look at that. Hold on. I need to go down there. My heart is literally fucking racing right now. I need to fucking check. I need to see it. I don't know. I didn't even bring a flashlight, dude. I don't have a light on my camera. The whole reason I'm doing this is to prove to myself that there's something like, but Jesus, that's not that hard. There's something besides us in the world, and I still don't believe. I mean, I want to, like, I really want to, but I still like have no proof. But there's been weird stuff, like just tonight, like nothing really happens, like at my house. Like my house isn't like haunted or known for anything, you know. So it's kind of crazy. I don't know. Like this is weird. Okay. It was like, okay, so my window's right here. Huh? The fuck was that? Yo, please tell me you guys heard that. I hope I got that on camera. That was a noise right there. That was like a creak or something. Okay. Alright, let's just go inside. What is that? What is that blue thing, dude? What is that blue thing? I think it is time for us to get started. So first, what we have to do, we have to turn off all the lights in the house. Everyone's asleep right now. What time is it? 2:46. As you can see, the time right there is 2:46. So it's a little bit before 3, like it said. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna turn off all the lights now. I changed it to a red marker. It's the same exact marker, obviously. You can see it still fits under there. What the fuck? Yo, I didn't move that back. I didn't move that marker back. Oh my god, dude, I literally didn't move that marker back. Alright, I'm really freaked out right now. Okay, I'm scared. Alright, so obviously this light's on, but I'm gonna wait till the left. What's that, dude? I swear I'm hearing things, dude. Hold on, I got like a flashlight or something. I'm really fucking scared. Okay. So as you guys can see, I just want to show you, all the lights are off. My dad always turns the lights off, so I'll turn these off now. It's 2:57 currently. 2:58 actually. Let's light the candle. The candle. Put it by the door. Put the piece of paper and a pen. by the door. First night. Alright guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really scared, but we're gonna do it, we're gonna go through it. And it's 3 o'clock now, boys, so let's do it. Here we go. Let me see there we go, okay. I'll see it for you guys to see. Spirit of the door, I welcome you. Make yourself present and come through. Spirit of the door, I welcome you. Make yourself present and come through. Did you guys hear that? Spirit of the door, I welcome you. Make yourself present and come through. I'm gonna write a question, guys. Alright, it's a nice and easy question. Whoops. What is your name? Alright, so let's try, guys. I'm scared. Here we go. Alright, I'm just gonna cut it. Honestly, because I'm already freaked out. Because I hear mumbles down there, I swear to God. Alright, I'm gonna cut it. I'm sorry, and thank you for speaking to us and taking your time to speak to us. Okay. Oh my. I literally hear noises out there, I'm not even fucking kidding. It is roughly 10:26 in the morning, as you can tell. It's light outside. Just a little update for you guys. Nothing really creepy happened last night or anything. My hair's a little messy because I'm about to go to work and I just got out of the shower. But yeah, nothing really freaky happened last night after that, the ritual and everything. I kind of wish it would have worked last night, but I will definitely be trying a lot more. And that's what this channel is mostly going to be of, just like me, like exploring like haunted places, doing haunted things, and maybe just exploring in general. If this video, for the first YouTube video that I made, if this video can get 3 likes, that's all I want is 3 likes, then I'll take me, and I'll force a group of my friends to go with me to Brazil, Indiana. Yeah, didn't even think that was a place, but it was. Yeah, Brazil, Indiana, to Hell's Gate, which is a tunnel that is now abandoned, and a bunch of crazy shit happened there, and there's some shit that you can do there to see crazier shit, so we are gonna go do that. Hopefully we can get 3 likes. I'm probably gonna do it even if we don't get 3 likes, but I want you to get 3 likes on this, because that's a super big goal. On that note, I'll let you guys go. Thank you for watching my video, and many more to come. Peace.